It's all about strong muscles today. When you have muscle strength, you move with more power, your endurance increases, and you reduce your risk of injury. Today's exercise is for all of us because I'm going to lead you through a lower body Wall Pilates movement that will strengthen your glutes and hamstrings, which is great for pelvic and spinal stability, reducing lower back and knee injuries, and improving your capabilities to do what you love, whether that be pickleball, indoor climbing, a gym workout, or group classes like yoga and Pilates. Hi gorgeous, welcome to Vital 7 Pilates. Your friend Cassidy here. I've been teaching Pilates for over 20 years and I'm happy to guide you through this exercise today. And I want to thank you for subscribing, watching, liking, and sharing these videos because it gives me the feedback to create more content that you're looking for. And today's exercise is inspired by you. Even if you're familiar with this exercise, I encourage you to follow along with me so you can hear the cues, the tips, and the tricks that will help you to master the movement and get the best results. This movement is perfect for beginners, so no need to worry if you're new to Pilates. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's move together to help you feel better in your body. On your back, legs extended out straight, toes together, heels apart, so you're internally rotated. You want your palms down at your sides, pressing into your hands so you feel your triceps fire up and your shoulders open. You're going to start by engaging in the abs, pulling navel to spine, imprinting your lower back into the mat. You're going to peel one vertebra at a time off the mat as you try to push up through your hips as best you can. You may not come very far off the mat, that's absolutely fine. I'm barely off the mat, but man, I already feel my glutes and hamstrings working. Now, once you're at the top of the bridge, you want to check that your pelvis is level, that you're not dipping down on either side. You want to feel like you're pushing through both feet evenly. You should definitely be all fired up in your lower body. Now you're going to add in the glute pulses, so releasing the glutes and then wrapping and pushing up through the hips and repeating that. Remembering to breathe, pulling navel to spine with each exhale, pushing into your hands, pushing down into your feet. This is number 8. Wow, I'm feeling it. This is number 10. Let's do 5 more. 1, use your hands, use your breath, use your abs. 2 more. Last one. And then go ahead, come down 1 vertebra at a time. Wow, oh my goodness, did you feel that? I felt it. So if you haven't noticed yet, the further away your booty is from the wall, the more challenging it will be. So you want to decide for yourself what's best. You want to honor where your body is at. Do the amount that feels right and safe for you. If it's less than what I'm doing, that's fine. And if it's more, hey, that's great. Are you ready for your second set? I'm ready. Let's do this. All right, toes together, heels apart, hands down at your side, pressing into your palms, triceps fired up, shoulders open. Here we go. Hollowing out the belly, navel to spine, bridging up, trying to push up through the hips as best you can, really wrapping your glutes, feeling those glute med fire up, feeling those hamstrings. Adding in the glute pulses with control, right? And precision. 1, 2, pushing down into both feet evenly. 4, you got this. 5, feeling the burn. 6, 7, use your abs. 8, 9, 10, keep your shoulders open. 1, 2, 3, 2 more, 4, and 5. Excellent. Come down and relax, resting. Nicely done. From here, stretching out the glutes, crossing right knee over the left, pulling into your chest, shifting your knees over to your left so you feel the stretch get into your right glute, pulling your knees into your chest with each exhale, trying to get deeper into the stretch. Letting out a sigh. And then switching sides. Left knee over the right, pulling into your chest, shifting your knees over to your right so you feel the stretch get into your left glute, pulling your knees in closer to your chest with each exhale, getting deeper into the stretch. Letting out a sigh, letting go of any tension you may be holding in your upper body. It's so important to stretch your glutes out after working them because tight glutes can lock up your hips and tight hips can lock up the lower back. So it's always a good idea to, stretch out those muscles after working them. All right, now from there, we're gonna stretch out the hamstrings. So you're gonna bring your booty in close to the wall, extend your legs up straight, and then from here, you're actually gonna go into that internal rotation. So toes together, heels apart, flexing your feet, pulling your toes down towards your shins, stretching out the hamstrings. So you're gonna feel the calves and the hamstrings stretching. Letting out a sigh. Try to let go of any tension you may be holding in your upper body. Keep pulling your toes towards your shins. Obviously, the closer your booty is to the wall, the more stretch you'll feel. Excellent, nicely done. All right, you did it. Give yourself some props. Every exercise counts. You're helping yourself to get stronger. I love it. I want you to get the most out of this exercise. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or you're looking for modifications. I'm happy to help. So FYI, this is just one piece of the bigger picture. You can access this full Pilates series in the description below. It may feel very satisfying to do the whole routine, or you can benefit from doing the exercises you haven't done yet. It will be waiting for you whenever you're ready, and I will meet you there. See you soon. Are you ready for exclusive content, early access to content, and other perks? Join us on Patreon. Click on the link in the description of this post for more. Special shout out to my Vital 7 stars. Thank you for making this video possible.